Slime molds are one of nature's most fascinating organisms, and they challenge our traditional understanding of life. They're not quite fungi, not quite plants, and definitely not animals. Instead, they belong to a unique group of protists. What's truly captivating is their ability to exist in two distinct forms: the single-celled amoeba and the multicellular plasmodium. When conditions are right, like when there's plenty of moisture and food, these tiny amoebas come together to form a larger multicellular structure. This is where the magic happens. In this plasmodial stage, they can move and behave almost like a single organism, flowing and merging to explore their environment. It's like watching a living, breathing blob. One of the most intriguing aspects of slime molds is their problem-solving abilities. Researchers have conducted experiments that reveal their remarkable intelligence. For instance, in a famous study, scientists placed food sources on a map that represented a city. The slime mold, when given time, created a network of tubes that connected the food sources in the most efficient way possible, mimicking the layout of the actual city's subway system. This suggests that they can optimize routes and make decisions without a brain or nervous system. Their life cycle is equally fascinating. Slime molds begin as spores, which hatch into tiny amoebas. These amoebas feed on bacteria and organic matter, growing and dividing until they reach a critical mass. Then they aggregate, forming a multicellular mass that can move toward light or food. When conditions become unfavorable, they can revert to a spore state, ensuring their survival until the environment improves. This adaptability is a key reason they've thrived for millions of years. Another remarkable feature of slime molds is their ability to communicate. They use chemical signals to share information about food sources and danger. When one slime mold finds food, it releases a chemical signal that attracts others. This collective behavior is a prime example of how simple organisms can exhibit complex social interactions. Slime molds also play a crucial role in ecosystems. They help decompose organic material, recycling nutrients back into the soil. This process is vital for maintaining healthy ecosystems, as it supports plant growth and contributes to soil fertility. Without slime molds, we would see a significant disruption in these natural cycles. Their vibrant colors and unique shapes make them a favorite among scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. You might find them in your backyard, often appearing as yellow, orange, or even purple blobs. They thrive in damp, shady environments, like decaying wood or leaf litter. In recent years, slime molds have even inspired innovations in technology. Researchers are studying their networks to develop algorithms for optimizing transportation systems and improving data networks. The way they navigate their environment could lead to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence and robotics. So, the next time you come across a slime mold, take a moment to appreciate this incredible organism. It's a reminder of the complexity and interconnectedness of life on Earth, and how even the simplest forms can teach us profound lessons about survival, cooperation, and intelligence. Slime molds are not just blobs of goo, they are a testament to the wonders of evolution and the mysteries of nature. The telescope fish, a fascinating creature of the deep, is one of nature's most intriguing adaptations. Found primarily in the dark depths of the ocean, this fish is known for its unique, protruding eyes that resemble telescopes. These eyes are not just for show, they are perfectly adapted to the low-light environment of the deep sea, allowing the telescope fish to spot prey and predators alike in the dimmest of conditions. What's truly remarkable about the telescope fish is its ability to see above and below simultaneously. This dual vision gives it a significant advantage in the hunt for food, as it can detect both potential meals and threats without having to move. Imagine being able to scan your surroundings in two directions at once. This fish has mastered that skill. The telescope fish typically inhabits the mesopelagic zone, which ranges from about 200 to 1,000 meters below the ocean's surface. This region is often referred to as the twilight zone, where light begins to fade and the pressure increases. The adaptations of the telescope fish are a testament to the incredible resilience of life in such extreme environments. Its body is elongated and streamlined, allowing it to navigate through the water with ease, while its bioluminescent features help it communicate and attract mates in the dark. Interestingly, the telescope fish is part of a larger family known as Opisthophroctidae. which includes several other unique species. These fish are not just solitary creatures. They often form schools, which can provide safety in numbers against larger predators. When threatened, they can quickly dart away, using their speed to escape danger. The diet of the telescope fish primarily consists of small crustaceans and plankton. With its specialized eyes, it can spot these tiny organisms from a distance, making it an efficient hunter. The feeding strategy of the telescope fish is quite fascinating. It often uses a technique called filter feeding, where it opens its mouth wide to take in water and trap food particles. This method allows it to consume a significant amount of food with minimal effort. Despite their intriguing adaptations, telescope fish are not well studied, largely due to their deep-sea habitat. The challenges of exploring such depths mean that many aspects of their behavior and ecology remain a mystery. Scientists are continually working to uncover more about these enigmatic creatures, and each new discovery sheds light on the complexities of ocean life. The telescope fish also plays a role in the broader marine ecosystem. As both predator and prey, it contributes to the balance of the food web in its environment. Understanding its role can help scientists gauge the health of deep-sea ecosystems, which are often overlooked in conservation efforts. In conclusion, the telescope fish is a remarkable example of evolution's creativity. Its adaptations for life in the deep sea are not only fascinating, but also crucial for its survival. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the ocean, the telescope fish stands as a symbol of the wonders that lie beneath the waves, waiting to be discovered. The arapaima, a remarkable fish native to the Amazon River basin, is one of the largest freshwater fish in the world, reaching lengths of up to 15 feet and weighing over 400 pounds. Imagine encountering something that massive gliding through the murky waters of the Amazon. These giants are not just impressive in size, they are also fascinating in their biology and behavior. Arapaimas have a unique adaptation that sets them apart from many other fish. They breathe air. They possess a modified swim bladder that functions like a lung, allowing them to gulp air at the surface every 15 to 20 minutes. This adaptation is crucial for survival in the oxygen-poor waters of the Amazon. It's a bit like having a built-in snorkel. This ability to breathe air also means they can thrive in various aquatic environments, from slow-moving rivers to flooded forests. Their diet is equally intriguing. Arapaima are carnivorous and primarily feed on fish, but they also consume crustaceans and even small mammals when the opportunity arises. They are known for their impressive hunting skills, using their size and speed to ambush prey. Watching an arapaima hunt is like witnessing a well-orchestrated ballet of nature, where power meets grace. Reproduction in arapaima is another fascinating aspect. They are known to spawn during the rainy season when the waters rise and flood the surrounding forests. Males create nests in the shallow waters, and after the female lays her eggs, the male guards them fiercely. This parental care is quite rare in fish and speaks to the complexity of their behavior. The young arapaima are born with a striking pattern of spots that help them blend into their surroundings, providing them with a crucial survival advantage. However, despite their impressive adaptations and behaviors, arapaima face significant threats. Overfishing and habitat destruction have led to a decline in their populations. They are considered a vulnerable species, and conservation efforts are underway to protect them. Sustainable fishing practices and habitat restoration are vital to ensuring that future generations can witness these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. In some regions, arapaima are farmed for their meat, which is highly prized in local cuisine. This practice, when done sustainably, can help alleviate pressure on wild populations while providing economic benefits to local communities. It's a delicate balance, and the future of the arapaima depends on our ability to manage these resources wisely. The arapaima is not just a fish, it's a symbol of the rich biodiversity of the Amazon. Its existence highlights the intricate web of life that thrives in this unique ecosystem. As we learn more about these incredible creatures, we are reminded of the importance of preserving their habitat and the delicate balance of nature. The story of the arapaima is a testament to the wonders of evolution and the ongoing challenges of conservation.
Kangaroos are fascinating creatures, and their reproductive process is just as intriguing as their hopping abilities. Let's dive into how these unique marsupials bring their young into the world. Kangaroos are marsupials, which means they give birth to relatively undeveloped young that continue to grow in a pouch. The mating process begins with a courtship ritual. Male kangaroos, known as boomers, will often engage in a display of strength and agility to attract females. They might box with each other, showcasing their muscles and skills. It's a bit like a kangaroo version of a dance-off. Once a female kangaroo, or flyer, is ready to mate, she will signal her interest. After successful mating, the female kangaroo has a gestation period of about 30 to 36 days. That's pretty short compared to many other mammals. When the baby kangaroo, called a joey, is born, it's incredibly tiny, about the size of a jelly bean. It's born blind and hairless, weighing less than an ounce. Immediately after birth, the joey instinctively crawls up into the mother's pouch. This pouch is a remarkable adaptation. It provides a safe and warm environment for the joey to continue developing. Inside the pouch, the joey latches onto a teat, which provides it with milk. The milk composition changes as the joey grows, perfectly tailored to its developmental needs. For several months, the joey will stay in the pouch, growing and gaining strength. This is a crucial time for its development. As the joey matures, it will start to peek out of the pouch, exploring the world around it, while still relying on its mother for nourishment and safety. Eventually, the joey will begin to spend more time outside the pouch, learning to hop and graze on grass. This process can take anywhere from 6 to 12 months. Even after leaving the pouch, the joey will continue to nurse for a while longer, gradually becoming more independent. Kangaroo mothers are incredibly nurturing. They can even delay the birth of a new joey if they already have one in the pouch, a process known as embryonic diapause. This allows them to ensure that they can provide for their young ones adequately. So, in summary, kangaroos have a unique and efficient way of reproducing. From their brief gestation period to the remarkable pouch that nurtures their young, these marsupials have evolved an extraordinary method to ensure the survival of their species. It's a beautiful reminder of the diversity of life and the incredible adaptations that nature has crafted over time. Theseus's ship is a fascinating thought experiment that dives deep into the nature of identity and change. Imagine a ship, the very vessel that carried the hero Theseus on his legendary adventures. Over time, as the ship sails, its wooden planks begin to rot and are replaced one by one. Eventually, every single part of the ship is swapped out. The question arises, is it still the same ship? This philosophical puzzle, known as the Ship of Theseus, challenges our understanding of identity. If you replace every part of something, does it remain fundamentally the same entity? This dilemma has intrigued philosophers for centuries, sparking debates about what it means to be the same. Consider this. If you were to gather all the original planks that were replaced and construct a new ship, which one is the true ship of Theseus? The one that sailed with Theseus, or the one made from its original materials? This paradox highlights the complexities of identity, not just in objects, but in ourselves. We experience change every day, physically, emotionally, and mentally. Our cells regenerate, our beliefs evolve, and our experiences shape who we are. Yet, we still perceive ourselves as the same person throughout these transformations. This raises profound questions about continuity and selfhood. Philosophers like Heraclitus argued that change is the only constant in life. He famously stated that you cannot step into the same river twice, emphasizing that both the river and the person stepping in are in a state of flux. This idea resonates with the ship of Theseus. Just as the river flows and changes, so do we. In modern discussions, the ship of Theseus has implications in various fields, including psychology, biology, and even technology. For instance, consider the advancements in artificial intelligence. As AI systems learn and adapt, at what point do they become something entirely new? If we upgrade a program continuously, is it still the same software? The ship of Theseus also connects to our understanding of personal identity in the context of memory and experience. Imagine a person who undergoes significant life changes. Perhaps they move to a new city, change careers, or even undergo therapy. Each of these experiences can reshape their identity. Yet, they still recognize themselves as the same individual. This philosophical inquiry also extends to our relationships. Think about friendships that evolve over time. People grow, change, and sometimes drift apart, yet the bond that once existed can still feel significant. Are we still the same friends we were years ago, or have we become entirely different people? The ship of Theseus invites us to reflect on the essence of who we are. It challenges us to consider whether identity is tied to physical form or if it resides in continuity of consciousness and memory. Ultimately, the beauty of this thought experiment lies in its ability to provoke deep reflection. It encourages us to embrace change while acknowledging the threads of continuity that weave through our lives. Whether it's a ship, a person, or a relationship, the essence of identity is a complex tapestry of experiences, memories, and transformations. So, the next time you think about change, whether in yourself or in the world around you, remember Theseus's ship. It's not just a story about a vessel, it's a profound exploration of what it means to be. Redwood trees are some of the most extraordinary living beings on our planet. Standing tall and majestic, these giants can reach heights of over 350 feet, making them the tallest trees in the world. Imagine looking up at a tree that's taller than a football field is long. But their height isn't the only thing that makes them remarkable. It's also their age. Some of these trees have been around for over 2,000 years. That means they've witnessed history unfold, from the rise and fall of empires to the evolution of our planet's ecosystems. One of the most fascinating aspects of redwoods is their unique bark. It can be up to 12 inches thick, which is not just for show. This thick, fibrous bark is rich in tannins, making it resistant to pests and diseases, as well as fire. In fact, redwoods have adapted to thrive in fire-prone environments. When a fire sweeps through the forest, the heat can actually trigger the release of their seeds, allowing new trees to sprout from the ashes. It's a remarkable survival strategy that showcases the resilience of nature. But let's talk about their ecosystem. Redwood forests are home to an incredible diversity of life. From the tiny insects that live in the bark to the larger mammals that roam the forest floor, these trees provide a habitat for countless species. The canopy of a redwood tree is like a whole other world, where birds, squirrels, and even insects create a vibrant community high above the ground. Some scientists estimate that a single redwood can support over 1,000 different species. That's a lot of life thriving in one tree. And then there's the way redwoods grow. They don't just grow tall, they also grow wide. Their root systems can extend up to 100 feet from the base of the tree, intertwining with the roots of neighboring trees. This interconnectedness creates a support system that helps them withstand strong winds and heavy storms. It's a beautiful reminder of how nature works together, relying on one another for strength and stability. Redwoods also play a crucial role in combating climate change. They absorb massive amounts of carbon dioxide, storing it in their wood and soil. In fact, a mature redwood can sequester more carbon than any other tree species. This makes them vital allies in our fight against global warming. Protecting these ancient trees is not just about preserving beauty, it's about safeguarding our planet's future. As I walk among these towering giants, I can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. Each tree has its own story, its own scars and growth rings that tell tales of survival and endurance. They remind us of the importance of patience and resilience in our own lives. Just like these trees, we too can weather storms and emerge stronger. So, the next time you find yourself in a redwood forest, take a moment to pause and appreciate the mysteries that surround you. These trees are not just part of our natural world. They are living monuments to the power of nature, the passage of time, and the interconnectedness of life. Let's cherish and protect them, for they are truly one of nature's greatest wonders.
America is a land steeped in mysteries, each one more intriguing than the last. Take, for instance, the enigmatic disappearance of the Roanoke colony in the late 16th century. Established in 1585, this settlement vanished without a trace, leaving behind only the word Croatoan carved into a tree. What happened to those early settlers? Did they assimilate with local tribes, or did they meet a more sinister fate? The truth remains elusive, fueling speculation and theories for centuries. Then there's the legend of the Lost Dutchman's gold mine in Arizona. Supposedly hidden in the Superstition Mountains, this treasure has lured countless treasure hunters, many of whom have vanished without a trace. The mine is said to be cursed, with tales of misfortune befalling those who seek its riches. Is it a mere myth, or is there a fortune waiting to be uncovered? Moving on to the mysterious Mothman of Point Pleasant, West Virginia. This creature, described as a large humanoid with glowing red eyes and wings, was sighted in the 1960s, coinciding with a series of strange events, including the tragic collapse of the Silver Bridge. Was the Mothman a harbinger of doom, or simply a figment of collective imagination? The sightings continue, keeping the legend alive and sparking curiosity. And who could forget the secrets of Area 51? This highly classified U.S. Air Force facility has long been the subject of UFO conspiracy theories. What exactly goes on behind those gates? While the government maintains it's a testing ground for experimental aircraft, the allure of extraterrestrial life and advanced technology keeps the speculation swirling. Are we alone in the universe, or is there more to discover? Let's not overlook the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle, a region in the North Atlantic where ships and planes have inexplicably vanished. Theories range from magnetic anomalies to alien abductions. Despite extensive research, the triangle remains an enigma, captivating the imaginations of adventurers and scientists alike. Finally, there's the story of the Winchester Mystery House in California. This sprawling mansion built by Sarah Winchester features staircases that lead to nowhere and doors that open into walls. Legend has it that Sarah believed she was haunted by the spirits of those killed by Winchester rifles, and she constructed the house to appease them. The result is a bizarre architectural wonder that continues to draw visitors eager to uncover its secrets. These mysteries are woven into the fabric of American folklore, each one a testament to our fascination with the unknown. They remind us that, despite our advancements, there are still questions that linger, waiting for someone brave enough to seek the answers.
DeepSeek was once a name that echoed through the tech community, a promising startup that aimed to revolutionize the way we interact with data. Founded a few years back, it quickly gained traction for its innovative approach to deep learning and data analytics. The vision was ambitious: to create a platform that could sift through massive data sets, providing insights that were not only actionable, but also easy to understand. In its early days, DeepSeek attracted significant attention from investors and tech enthusiasts alike. The team was filled with brilliant minds, engineers, and data scientists who were passionate about harnessing the power of artificial intelligence. They launched their beta version, and the feedback was overwhelmingly positive. Users loved the intuitive interface and the speed at which it processed information. It seemed like DeepSeek was on the fast track to success. However, as with many startups, the journey wasn't without its challenges. As they scaled, they faced intense competition from established players in the market. Companies with deeper pockets and more resources began to roll out similar features, making it harder for DeepSeek to stand out. The pressure mounted, and the team had to make some tough decisions. They pivoted their strategy, focusing on niche markets where they could leverage their unique strengths. This shift was crucial, but it also meant they had to let go of some original ideas that had initially defined the brand. Fast forward to today, and DeepSeek has managed to stabilize its position in the market. They've carved out a niche in sectors like healthcare and finance, where their data analytics tools are being used to drive significant improvements in decision-making processes. The platform has evolved, integrating more advanced machine learning algorithms and user-friendly features that cater specifically to the needs of these industries. What's fascinating is how DeepSeek has embraced feedback from its user base. They've built a community around their product, encouraging users to share their experiences and suggestions. This has not only improved the platform, but has also fostered a sense of loyalty among its users. Financially, they've secured additional funding, which has allowed them to invest in research and development. This investment is paying off, as they are now rolling out new features that leverage cutting-edge technology, such as predictive analytics and real-time data processing. Looking at the broader picture, DeepSeek is a testament to resilience in the tech world. They've faced setbacks but have adapted and evolved. Their journey highlights the importance of flexibility and user engagement in the ever-changing landscape of technology. While they may not be the household name they once aspired to be, they are certainly making waves in their chosen fields, proving that sometimes success isn't about being the biggest fish in the pond, but about finding the right pond to thrive in. The United Kingdom is a land steeped in history, but it's also a treasure trove of mysteries that continue to baffle historians and enthusiasts alike. Take, for instance, the enigmatic Stonehenge. This prehistoric monument, with its massive stone circle, has puzzled archaeologists for centuries. Was it a burial ground, a place of worship, or perhaps an astronomical observatory? The truth remains elusive, and each theory seems to raise even more questions than it answers. Then there's the legend of King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table. Was Arthur a real king or merely a figure of myth? The tales of Camelot, Excalibur, and the quest for the Holy Grail have captivated imaginations for generations. The historical evidence is scant, leading many to wonder if Arthur was a composite of various leaders from different times, or if he was entirely fictional. The search for Camelot continues, with sites like Tintagel Castle in Cornwall claiming to be the birthplace of this legendary king. Moving to the Scottish Highlands, we encounter the mystery of the Loch Ness Monster. For decades, people have reported sightings of a large creature lurking beneath the waters of Loch Ness. Despite numerous investigations and sonar scans, definitive proof of Nessie's existence remains elusive. Is it a prehistoric creature, a misidentified animal, or simply a figment of our collective imagination? The allure of the Loch Ness Monster draws tourists from around the world, eager to catch a glimpse of this elusive beast. In the realm of the supernatural, we can't overlook the Tower of London. This historic fortress has witnessed countless executions and imprisonments, leading many to believe it's haunted. The ghost of Anne Boleyn, one of Henry VIII's wives, is said to roam the grounds, her headless apparition appearing to those who dare to visit. The tower's dark history adds an eerie layer to its already fascinating story. And what about the mysterious disappearance of the princes in the tower? In 1483, Edward V and his younger brother Richard vanished without a trace while imprisoned in the Tower of London. Theories abound, from murder orchestrated by their uncle, Richard III, to the possibility that they escaped and lived under assumed identities. The truth remains hidden in the shadows of history. Lastly, let's not forget the ancient burial mounds of Silbury Hill in Wiltshire. This massive earthwork, the largest in Europe, raises questions about the people who built it and their purpose. Was it a tomb, a ceremonial site, or a marker for something greater? The lack of archaeological evidence only deepens the mystery, leaving us to ponder the significance of this monumental structure. The United Kingdom is a tapestry woven with tales of mystery and intrigue, where every stone and shadow holds a story waiting to be uncovered. Each legend invites us to explore further, to question what we know, and to embrace the unknown. The mysteries of this land are not just relics of the past. They are a reminder of the enduring human spirit and our quest for understanding in a world filled with enigmas. Australia is a land of breathtaking landscapes and vibrant cultures, but it's also home to some of the most intriguing mysteries that continue to baffle both locals and visitors alike. One of the most famous is the legend of the Min Min lights. These eerie, glowing orbs have been reported in the outback for decades. Witnesses describe them as floating lights that dance across the horizon, appearing and disappearing without a trace. Some say they're spirits of the land, while others believe they're a natural phenomenon yet to be explained. Whatever the truth, they add an air of mystique to the vast Australian desert. Then there's the case of the missing Beaumont children. In 1966, 3 siblings vanished from a beach in Adelaide, leaving behind a community in shock and a mystery that remains unsolved. Despite extensive searches and countless theories, no trace of the children has ever been found. This heart-wrenching case has sparked numerous investigations and remains a haunting reminder of the fragility of safety. Moving on to the eerie phenomenon of the Australian Stonehenge at Naboo. This site features massive stone formations that have puzzled archaeologists and historians alike. Some believe they were constructed by ancient Aboriginal tribes, while others think they might be remnants of a long-lost civilization. The true purpose of these stones remains a mystery, inviting speculation and intrigue from anyone who visits. And let's not forget about the strange happenings at Lake Hillier. This bubblegum pink lake on Middle Island is a natural wonder, but its vibrant color has sparked numerous theories. Some scientists suggest it's due to algae and high salt content, while others speculate about the lake's unique ecosystem. Whatever the reason, it's a site that leaves visitors questioning the wonders of nature. Australia is also home to the infamous Wycliffe Well, known as the UFO capital of Australia. This small town claims to have more UFO sightings than anywhere else in the country. Locals and tourists alike share stories of strange lights and unidentified flying objects in the night sky. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, the tales from Wycliffe Well are sure to ignite your imagination. Lastly, let's talk about the mysterious disappearance of the HMAS Sydney II. This Australian warship sank off the coast of Western Australia during World War II, taking with it the lives of 645 crew members. For decades, the wreck was lost to the ocean until it was finally discovered in 2008. The circumstances surrounding its sinking remain unclear, leading to ongoing debates about what really happened that fateful day. These mysteries are just a glimpse into the enigmatic stories that Australia has to offer. Each one invites us to explore deeper, to question, and to wonder about the unknown. Whether it's the glow of the Min Min lights or the haunting tale of the Beaumont children, these stories are woven into the fabric of Australia, making it a land of endless intrigue and fascination.
Throughout history, weapons have not only been tools of war, but also objects of intrigue and mystery. Let's dive into 10 of the most enigmatic weapons that have captured the imagination of historians and enthusiasts alike. First up is the Watch Spear of Destiny. Legend has it that this spear, said to have pierced the side of Jesus during the crucifixion, grants its wielder immense power. Many believe that whoever possesses it can control the fate of the world. Over the centuries, it has been sought after by various leaders, including Adolf Hitler, who believed it would secure his dominance. Next, we have the One Nazi Bell, or Die Glocke. This top-secret project during World War II is rumored to be a time machine or an anti-gravity device. Descriptions of the bell vary, but it's said to have emitted a strange glow and produced a hum that could manipulate time and space. The truth behind its existence remains shrouded in mystery. Moving on to the kukri, a traditional Nepalese knife. While it may look like a simple curved blade, the kukri is known for its lethal efficiency in combat. Its unique design allows for powerful chopping motions, making it a favorite among Gurkha soldiers. The kukri is not just a weapon, it's a symbol of bravery and honor. Then there's the Kwai taser, a modern weapon that has sparked debates about its use in law enforcement. While it's designed to incapacitate without causing permanent harm, there are still questions about its safety and ethical implications. The taser represents the ongoing struggle between maintaining public safety and protecting individual rights. The shuriken, or throwing star, is often associated with ninjas. These small, star-shaped weapons were designed for distraction and stealth rather than direct combat. Their effectiveness lies in their ability to confuse and mislead opponents, showcasing the art of deception in warfare. Next, we encounter the Davy Crockett, a portable nuclear weapon developed during the Cold War. This weapon was designed to be fired from a small launcher and could unleash a devastating nuclear blast. Its existence raises questions about the ethics of nuclear warfare and the lengths to which nations will go for power. The M1 Garand rifle, used extensively during World War II, is often praised for its reliability and accuracy. However, what makes it mysterious is the fact that it was the first standard-issue semi-automatic rifle for the U.S. military. Its design revolutionized infantry tactics and changed the face of warfare. Let's not forget the Quach Gatling gun, an early type of machine gun invented in the 1860s. Its rapid-fire capability was groundbreaking, but it also raised ethical concerns about the scale of destruction it could unleash. The Gatling gun symbolizes the transition from traditional warfare to more mechanized forms of combat. The Wach V3 cannon, a German supergun from World War II, was designed to bombard London from a distance of over 100 miles. Its complexity and the sheer scale of its construction make it a fascinating yet chilling example of wartime engineering. Fortunately, it was never fully operational, but its existence highlights the extremes of military ambition. Finally, we have the Yishint Phalanx CIWS, a close-in weapon system used by the U.S. Navy. This automated gun system is designed to protect ships from incoming missiles and aircraft. Its rapid-fire capability and precision make it a formidable defense mechanism, showcasing the evolution of naval warfare technology. These 10 mysterious weapons not only reflect the ingenuity of their creators, but also the darker aspects of human history. Each one tells a story of power, conflict, and the relentless pursuit of dominance.
The Red Sea, a body of water that has captivated explorers, scientists, and adventurers for centuries. Stretching over 400 miles, it's not just a stunning destination, it's a treasure trove of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Let's dive into its depths. The Red Sea is home to some of the most diverse marine life on the planet. With over 1,200 species of fish and 400 species of coral, it's a vibrant underwater paradise. But what's truly fascinating is the phenomenon of coral reefs here. The reefs are not just beautiful, they play a crucial role in the ecosystem, providing habitat and food for countless marine species. Yet, they are under threat from climate change and pollution. Scientists are racing against time to understand how to protect these delicate ecosystems. Now let's talk about the geological wonders. The Red Sea is a rift valley formed by tectonic plates pulling apart. This unique geological activity has created stunning underwater landscapes, including deep trenches and volcanic islands. The famous Bab el-Mandeb Strait connects the Red Sea to the Gulf of Aden, and it's a critical point for maritime trade. But beneath the surface, it's a hotspot for geological activity, with underwater volcanoes and hydrothermal vents that spew minerals into the water, creating unique habitats for life. And then, there's the history. The Red Sea has been a crossroads of civilizations for millennia. Ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans all navigated its waters. The legendary Queen of Sheba is said to have sailed here, and the tales of the Exodus tell of the Israelites crossing its waters. These stories are woven into the fabric of human history, and the sea itself has witnessed countless adventures and tragedies. But the Red Sea holds more than just historical significance. It's also a site of archaeological intrigue. Sunken ships from various eras lie on the seabed, remnants of trade routes and naval battles. Underwater archaeologists are working tirelessly to uncover these relics, piecing together the stories of those who came before us. Each discovery adds a layer to our understanding of maritime history. Let's not forget the mysteries of the sea itself. The Red Sea is known for its unique phenomenon called brine pools. These underwater lakes of super salty water are so dense that they create a stark contrast with the surrounding seawater. Life thrives in these extreme conditions, showcasing the resilience of nature. As we explore the Red Sea, we are reminded of the delicate balance between human activity and nature. The beauty and mystery of this body of water compel us to protect it, to learn from it, and to respect its power. The Red Sea is not just a destination, it's a living testament to the wonders of our planet, a reminder of the mysteries that still await discovery beneath its waves. Overtown Bridge, a seemingly ordinary structure in Scotland, holds a chilling mystery that has puzzled locals and visitors alike for decades. This bridge, built in the 19th century, spans a picturesque gorge, surrounded by lush greenery and the tranquil sounds of nature. But beneath its serene surface lies a dark enigma that has captured the imagination of many. The story begins with an alarming phenomenon. Dogs, seemingly without warning, leap from the bridge into the depths below. It's not just a few cases. Reports suggest that over 50 dogs have taken this fatal plunge since the 1950s. What compels these animals to jump? Is it a case of canine curiosity gone wrong, or is there something more sinister at play? Local lore suggests that the bridge is haunted. Some believe it's the spirit of a woman who tragically died nearby, while others speculate that the area is cursed. The bridge was built over a site that has a history of tragedy, including the deaths of several people. This dark past adds to the eerie atmosphere surrounding Overtoun Bridge. Researchers have attempted to uncover the truth behind these mysterious dog deaths. Some theories propose that the dogs are reacting to the scent of animals, like squirrels or rabbits, that they can't resist. Others suggest that the bridge's unique architecture creates a disorienting effect, leading dogs to misjudge their jumps. However, these explanations don't fully account for the sheer number of incidents or the strange behavior of the dogs before they leap. Witnesses have reported seeing dogs acting strangely before their jumps, as if they're entranced or compelled by an unseen force. This has led to speculation about the possibility of a supernatural influence. Could it be that the bridge is a portal to another realm, drawing in these unsuspecting pets? The idea is unsettling, yet it adds to the allure of the bridge. The local community has mixed feelings about the bridge. Some residents are protective of its history and the stories that surround it, while others are concerned about the safety of pets and the potential for more tragic incidents. Signs have been posted to warn dog owners, but the mystery remains unsolved. Overtown Bridge has become a point of interest for paranormal enthusiasts and curious travelers. People come from all over to witness this strange phenomenon for themselves. Some bring their dogs, hoping to understand what drives them to the edge. Others seek to capture the essence of the bridge through photography, drawn by its haunting beauty and the stories that linger in the air. As the sun sets and shadows lengthen, Overtown Bridge stands as a testament to the unknown. It invites questions and ignites curiosity, reminding us that not all mysteries are meant to be solved. Whether it's the whispers of the past or the inexplicable behavior of our four-legged friends, the bridge continues to captivate and confound. It's a chilling reminder that sometimes the truth is stranger than fiction.